There is an ignition switch going up my ass.
That's what she said.
So you're a Harley rider that just rode your first sport bike. A Panda piss missile.
Just be careful as you're moving. Don't let the kickstand come out. It might.
It'll come out.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Just don't let it
What's
happen.
wrong with these things?
Japanese.
Here's how you ride a sport bike. You got a Harley guy here. He doesn't know what a sport bike is. He can't spell sport. First thing you're gonna do, put your leg over. Now, sitting on a sport bike, you gotta put your nuts to tank. Nuts to tank. Exactly. You're gonna put your foot up and back. You're not cruising out here. You're not comfy. You're not sitting on the couch. You're putting your feet up and back. You gotta look like a goddamn. Next, you're gonna lean forward as far as you can. You're trying to kiss that front tire because you don't want to be here anymore. All right, once you got your foot up, your nuts to tank, you're gonna take your mirrors and you're gonna rip them off. You don't need them. You're faster than everybody else. You don't need to see behind you. Get them out of here. Next step, get rid of that plate. We don't need that. You're on a sport bike.
When do I run from the cops?
Cops!
There were no cops. Why are you like this?
Step forward.
No way you just shit yourself.
Goodbye!